Assalamu alaikum, wonderful family. Welcome back to my channel, your ultimate source for delicious and nutritious healthy tips for your living a healthy lifestyle. This is Sidiko here on the channel, and in today's video, we are diving into the world of Iftar drinks. Healthy drinks option you can opt for during your Iftar. If you haven't catch up with my previous videos on healthy Ramadan, I would advise you go ahead and work them up. I have over 9-10 videos that can help you bask on your healthy lifestyle in this month of Ramadan. Everything is there for you. Go ahead and work them, and I'll also be linking them in the description box down below. So get ready to quench your thirst with the best 5 drinks for iftar. I've taken my time to bring out these best 5 for you. So make sure you enjoy it. Breaking your fast deserves a refreshing experience, and choosing the right drinks can make all the difference. Stay tuned as we explore not just tasty options but also the health benefits they are bringing to your iftar table. And let me sound a warning sign to everyone. Avoid cold drinks, cold water, the first thing while breaking your fast. Isn't good. It's not good for you at all, no, for your health. I know it's tempting. The throat is dry to just gulp up on cold water, and it doesn't make you feel refreshed. Even if you have been doing it, it doesn't make you feel refreshed at all. What it does is it makes you bloated later. That even if you eat, no matter how little your food eats, you'll be feeling bloated. Your digestion will be slow. So if you want your digestion to be normal, to be normalized, to eat and have a good digestion, make sure you take room temperature water, lukewarm water, or slightly cold. You can dilute it, not cold or fizzy drink. The experience you won't have while taking that cold drink, you won't even like it. At times it just gives you this cramp around your tummy, and it's not good for you. Avoid cold drinks by all means. Okay, let's go ahead with our 5 best drink for iftar. I would like us to know that water is life. Water is the elixir of life. While breaking, it is necessary, and it's also sunnah to break your fast with water and 3 dates. Water is highly hydrating and refreshing, while dates is full of energy. It gives you that energy boost you need while breaking. That it won't have any effect on your blood sugar level, especially for those that are diabetes. So make sure if you are breaking, at the sunnah of the prophet, take a glass of water, lukewarm water or room temperature water, and take 3 dates to kickstart your iftar with. But the first I have on my list here is water infused with citrus fruits. Why citrus fruits? It's not just about hydration. The citrusy twist add a boost of flavor. Plus, the vitamin C in citrus fruits help boost your immune system and aids digestion, making it a perfect choice after a day of fasting. If you want to keep away the citrus fruit, fine, it's good. Or if you want to take it separately, it's also good. But it just give you that that fruity tweet, and the vitamin C is an immune booster. So if you want to take it separately, take your orange separately or your citrus separately, and your water is also very good. It's a very good option as well. So next on my list is mint lemonade. This classic drink not only cool you down but also aids digestion. You see, digestion is very necessary. So all the drinks I've picked out here are the kind of drinks that can help you with your digestion, because you don't want to eat anything that will interfere with the spiritual aspect of Ramadan. Eating and you'll be bloated, gassing, it won't help you. How do you intend to pray Tarawih while you are bloated, uncomfortable, and gassing? So if you're choosing your iftar meal, choose meals that can digest easily, not the meal that will making you go to toilet frequently, that digest easily and be gentle on your digestive system. So this is my This is what I have in mind whilst using these drinks for us. Mint has calming properties, while lemon adds a zesty kick and vitamin C. Together, they make a refreshing and a health-packed combination. You can blend this together and sieve it and take your refreshing mint lemonade. Or you just drop some sliced lemon and some chopped mint in water and infused it. Until it's well infused, you sieve and take your refreshing iftar drink. Moving on to drink number 3 is coconut water. If you are looking for a natural electrolyte, don't go further than coconut water. It's right there for you. Coconut water is not just a trendy choice. You see a lot of people taking coconut water, doing you don't even know the reason behind it. It's a natural electrolyte rich beverage. Perfect for rehydration. Coconut water replenishes essential minerals and help restore your energy levels after a day of fasting. And you know coconut water, how it can help rejuvenate your skin. Try it and get back to me on how these very wonderful drinks can help you just boost you up instantly. So for a soothing option, we recommend green tea, especially during that weather when the weather is calm and cold and you just want something warm to bring you alive. You can go for green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants. Green tea aids in metabolism and in digestion. Its gentle caffeine content provides a subtle energy boost without interfering with a good night's sleep later on. So this is close to night. So if you are taking green tea, a glass is enough for you. Just gently brew your green tea and you're good to go. Some might even come without even caffeine at all, but green tea where it's gotten from, there's no how it goes, but it's very soft, it's very gentle, very minimal amount of caffeine. That's why it's good metabolism and indigestion. Just a glass of warm green tea and you're good to go for that weather. And last but not least, indulge in a date smoothie. Dates are not only a traditional choice, it's a traditional proof to take 3 days upon breaking during October, but it's also a natural sweetener and a natural energy booster. Blended with yogurt or milk, it creates a creamy and satisfying drink rich in fiber, potassium, and natural sugars that won't interfere with your health problem. Can soak the date for some time, then once it's soft, you deseed it and blend it with your yogurt. Make sure you use plain yogurt, unsweetened yogurt, or your milk, your whole milk. And you have a very satisfying drink for your iftar that is rich and creamy. And there you have it, the best 5 drinks for iftar. And make sure you have variety to choose from now. Remember to stay hydrated and choose beverages that not only taste great but also contribute to your overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tasty and nutritious tips and healthy tips as well, and share with your friends. Until next time, Iftar Mubarak.